Hi everybody, this is Shirish Kulkarni. I'm founder and CEO of Strut Consultech, which is a business consulting venture. For the last 5 years, we have been focusing on small and medium businesses to really look at dimensions of growth for small and medium businesses. With this new concept of Hatke, we are trying to talk to various business owners who have different perspective about their own businesses, trying innovative ways to really make sure that the business processes, either complete business or the portion of business process, get runs effectively in the current lockdown situation or a constraint situation. They are positive in their perspective, and we would like to definitely learn from them and their experiences. We have a great privilege to have Mr. Satish Joshi, who is a renowned architect from Pune, running his company Archicon Associates for more than 30 years. It's a real honor, Satish sir, to really have you around and
Thank you.
really, to have you to spare your time and thoughts onto this. So I will hand it over to you. Can you explain us, how is your business and how are you running it currently, and what are the potential challenges that you are seeing for yourself?
Okay, Shirish. Happy evening, everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So to start with, actually, I like to share a story in a small video.
Yeah.
It's not a story, but a message, actually.
Okay.
I heard of Mahatria of Infinitism. See, he says that there's a short form of acronym of ACR. A stands for accept the consequence. What is the situation? First, accept that this situation is there. You can't do anything about it. So you get peace of mind for that. Once you accept, if you don't accept, then all these anxieties and throwing of peace away starts. You have to accept that this situation has come in my life and I can't reverse it. So first you have to accept. Once you accept and have peace of mind, then comes C, which is change the changeable. Out of this, you can make a choice and you can change the changeable. Whatever changeable is possible, you can attack that and change the changeable. Then when you practice that choice, again there will be some consequence of that. Either you will get what you expected, either you will get more than what you expected, or less than what you expected, or opposite of what you expected. So again, accept that consequence. Whatever has come, whatever result has been produced out of your choice, again accept that consequence, because you can't reverse that again. So out of that consequence, again you can change the changeable. So you can go on repeating that, and if you have attempted so many times to change the changeable, but it is not changing, then only that last R will come. Remove yourself from the changeable.
Oh.
So first you have to accept, then with the peace of mind you have to change the changeable, and after trying so many times, even if that changeable is not changing, then you can remove yourself from the changeable, so that again you are at peace.
Okay.
You don't get worried about that. Is it? So this is the first video. I just wanted to share the message.
Wonderful.
And in COVID, we have to really practice this ACR. And in any day-to-day problems or day-to-day running of the organizations also.
So very powerful and wonderful thought, Satish.
Luckily, before COVID, coincidentally, we had started training for our staff, Archicon staff, by our own Bhushan Erlekar. In February and March, 7 sessions were planned, and of our team of say 30 people, 4 teams were formed.
Wow.
And those 4 teams were of mixed staff, technical, non-technical, even office boy, driver, all these people were clubbed together in 4 different teams. And the training was obviously on emotional train emotional
Question.
IQ and EQ, and then growth mindset of an organization.
Mm.
And this time, luckily, what we discussed with Bhushan and we planned for these 4 teams, we had given them some action plan.
Mm.
4 topics were given to them. One was customer delight touch points. Second was marketing and branding. Third was operational efficiency. And fourth was revenue growth and increase of profitability.
Mm.
So these 4 different topics were distributed to these 4 teams.
Right.
And they were to discuss among themselves, deliberate among themselves, analyze, get the data, and form some solution, which will be first immediate solution, second short-term solution, and third long-term solution.
Okay.
And all these teams really performed well and were almost at the time of, at the point of preparing their action plan and preparing their solution and PPT and presentations. They were to present it in the 7th session, almost 6 sessions were over, but then this COVID came. But the fact that this churning was happening, the staff were in a high mood, top of the world.
Okay.
So for us, the plus point was that though this COVID experience has come and lockdown has happened, my staff has a high spirit now.
Wow.
And they have really done the PPTs and they have found what resources are required to achieve the immediate, short-term and long-term goal.
Wonderful.
So now they have found that they have sort of ownership of the office and ownership of the activities like customer delight or operational efficiency and revenue growth and marketing and branding. And I tell you, really, office buys also really contributed very well.
Wonderful.
So that was a very fantastic point, I mean, activity just before COVID.
Mm-hmm.
So it gave us a very good feeling, and generally all the staff and bosses of other offices might be of little tension, but all our staff is superbly active as well as in high spirit.
Wonderful.
So that's the first thing.
So you started, got the complete team together, did the strategy station. Almost you were on the verge of launching yourself.
That's true.
At the time that COVID hit you. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
But that particular action plan is in their mind now. So they are sure that once the lockdown is over, we are going to launch these things.
All right.
And they are going to see the effect, whatever they have created, no, that long-term, short-term and immediate. So that that particular passion and that particular, they are seeing the dream actually.
Wonderful.
So they are visualizing what is going to happen.
So that was a marvelous feeling to have the complete organization focused on the key criteria.
Secondly, as you know, our organization is say 35 years old, and it's like a family of Archicon people. Many of the staff is actually 10 years, 20 years, 25 years with us. One office boy who joined as an office boy in 1987 he joined. So that was the month when we started actually as Archivista. So he was the first man to join. He's still with us.
Still with you. Okay.
He's still with us. Wonderful. And luckily, the culture of Archicon has developed like this, that every person in the organization has some future in Archicon. They see some future. Because the guy I was talking about who joined as an office boy in 87, now is a licensing officer in our office.
My goodness.
He takes care of all the revenue records, goes to Talati, goes to corporation, goes to PMRDA, and he contributes as a licensing officer.
Wonderful.
There was a driver in our office, because drivers can get the salary, say maximum up to 20, 25. We cannot extend that to 50, 70 like. So whatever is their passion and liking, generally we molded them into different type of activities and roles and responsibilities in our office.
Okay.
So one driver is a high-class 3D visualizer in our office now.
My goodness.
He creates all the perspectives and 3D views in our office.
Badhiya.
Actually, kudos for his effort actually, because he cannot speak English, but he can produce fantastic 3D visuals.
It's a transformation of personality.
Second driver has become an interior site supervisor.
Okay.
All the interior site execution is handled by him.
Mhm.
So all the drivers and office boy know that after certain period we have to choose some role.
Okay.
And definitely they see the increment in salary and all that. So they are also ambitious to look for their passion and do the thing.
Earn more also.
So yeah, so that's a great team spirit we have.
Wonderful. I think it is in the culture of Archicon and the way that you've grown.
Yeah.
All this strength is lying, I believe, to be
Right.
together, to be a cohesive. So anything like, the devastation comes in the form of, say, COVID. I think it has not deterred you, or somewhere you took some time or took some kind of a shake.
Definitely. Yeah. But as I said, it's a 35-year-old organization. So definitely there are some lacunas and some old thinking patterns seeped into that. Coincidentally and luckily, now there's a new generation also. My son
Fantastic.
will graduate in architecture and done his master's in digital architecture. So he has also joined as a partner.
Wonderful.
So now there's a combination of old and new in our organization. So old, some legacy, some goodwill, and connections with different clients, and new vibrant ideas and vibrant designs, innovations. So that's a combination now has come.
Good. So in COVID context, what are you doing differently right now? You are looking forward. I believe I heard you reaching out to the customer and talking about.
That's true. That's true. Actually, previously, our pattern was mouth-to-mouth publicity by our own clients, satisfied clients, and we're not very focused on the marketing as such, say 3-4 years back. But then we could see the trend in market and competitors, and then we started focusing on marketing also. In marketing, we had recruited a couple of people, as well as myself actually is now taking the role of marketing, heading the role of marketing actually, because my son is now taking the day-to-day office requirement and designing and getting the things done. Actually, marketing now requires a lot of efforts and lot of systematic approach also.
Right.
Not just a spontaneous effort.
True.
Luckily, I had been associated with BNI as well as Life School and many other such organizations, wherein many professionals, I have a network of many professionals.
Wonderful.
Then I have a very, very good relations with my clients also. So this time, what I have done is actually, I'm reaching to every client of mine and every connects and vendors of mine. But this time there's a twist in talking to them that I am not advertising or marketing for my designing and my domain, but I am telling that my domain, you can take it for granted. That is there, is going to be there, but I want to support you with all the other needs of yours.
All right.
Maybe in transport, maybe in business consultancy, maybe in this LIC, policies, insurance. So most of them have really appreciated this idea because everybody always in this COVID time and just after the lockdown, they might be having so many issues. So when they find some issue and when they have a solution, then that's a good thing for them. So they are coming with the replies that they might need this person, they might need this person. Actually, I connected Amit Mehta of our BNI for 2 of our clients in this fashion only.
All right.
Yeah. Similarly to Shrikant Joshi and Rudhir, I could actually find some 20-24 references.
Okay.
Only because of that I had so many industrial clients and consultants and these architects, friends of mine. I thought that this is a good time that now I can spread this information to them.
So in fact, you opened up your contact sphere
Yeah,
and let it open so that
correct.
all the friends of yours or somebody
Yes.
who's doing in different businesses got an opportunity to interact with them, and you.
Even my competitors also,
Oh,
I have not kept them separate.
okay,
Many of the industrial architects, I have talked to them, and then I have opened these 3, 4 guys to them.
wonderful.
And I tell you that even if they crack one deal with them, it will be a lifetime business opportunities for them. It's
I
not a
agree.
one-time thing.
I
Because
agree.
nowadays I am actually believing in collaboration.
What a
Because
fantastic thing. Yes,
today's world is not of single your own office and your own staff. You have to have built collaborations. So
wonderful.
last week I talked to a project management consultancy organization in Pune. They are a big and budding consultancy organization. They have many projects under their packet,
Mm,
and I had a good rapport with them, one of the directors in them.
mm.
So, taking this advantage of this COVID, we had a Zoom meeting, myself and Nikhil, and we shared our profiles with each other, and we could find that we can collaborate.
Wonderful.
So
What a
now
joy.
we have almost on the point of signing the agreement,
Wonderful.
and with that, again with BNI's style, I told them that I'll be giving some opportunities first, then I'll be talking to you of collaboration. So I've given them 3, 4 references, solid references
Solid.
for their business.
I think you reflect a role model of a giver's gain,
Correct.
where in Marathi also there is a saying that देणाऱ्याने देत जावे,
Yes.
घेणाऱ्याने घेत
Perfect.
जावे,
Perfect.
घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे. So take the
Correct.
gesture of a person who is giving. So I think you're like a Bhishma Pitama in this space. So
Nahi yaar. I am a student learning, still learning. Yaar.
very grounded.
Yes.
Sir, what do you have as a message for people who are not as maybe set with some kind of negativity in mind or
Correct.
something that they are struggling on? Any message you want to
Yeah.
give them?
First, as I said, you have to collaborate.
True.
So you have to find similar agencies in the market with whom you can collaborate, and be open and frank with them.
Okay.
Don't keep anything in reserve. Talk to them friendly with open this thing. Secondly, you have to think out of the box.
Okay.
This is a very important message. And again, I refer to one video of Matriya. Somebody asked him how you develop creativity. And he gave a good message actually. You try this, everybody can try this experiment for say 3 weeks. Say you take a pen and think what else can be done with this pen. I mean, whatever is its function,
Basic function.
leaving that function aside, what else can be done with this pen?
Wow.
And just you jot down, say 10 points about that. Next day you take mobile. Whatever is the function mobile is doing, that's great. What else can be done with this?
Okay.
See, if you do it on a daily basis with anything like my specs, I can see regularly, clearly, but what else can be done with that?
Okay.
So if that becomes your attitude, then as I said, whenever you look at your staff, whenever you look at your office boy or a driver, you will think what else can be, what else output can be taken
You
from.
always will start thinking
Yes.
about alternatives.
So it becomes your attitude. It becomes your attitude.
Okay.
And I think most of the out of the box experiments and discoveries are actually done like this.
Okay.
So you take a bamboo, what can be done with the bamboo? Then only you can create something out of that.
Okay.
So this is one strong message I want to give. You start becoming creative man, having creative mindset, and start thinking out of the box.
Right.
Then this will be a blessing in disguise. This COVID will really be a blessing in disguise. Actually, I am not at all depressed
Okay.
or worried with this. Definitely, because I strongly believe that whenever, even if somebody believes in God or Almighty, no issue. But whenever something is given to you or taken out from you,
Mm.
before that something else is given to you.
Okay. But one has to realize it.
Yeah, one has to realize that.
Mm.
Actually, personally, before I lost my wife,
Mm.
I got my daughter-in-law.
Mm.
So it's always a replacement.
Okay.
So God always gives you something before something is taken from you.
Okay.
So if you look at this situation in that fashion, definitely you will come as a winner.
So I think it was. I'm still having goosebumps on my body. It was wonderful interaction, Satish ji. Thank you so much. I think you, तुम्ही अनुभवाचा मेरू आहात. Thanks for coming in and educating. It is going to be, path breaker for many of
Yeah, you will do it.
us. And
Correct.
so I really appreciate this gesture. Thank you so much.
Actually, I want,
Yeah, please.
before the lockdown ends, I want to give as many references to all BNI Zenith people as I can do.
Thank you so much. And I wish Archicon goes leaps and bounds,
Yes.
goes skywards, and there is no limitation for that. I see that happening in front of my eyes. All the good wishes are with you.
Yeah, you are too young for that.
Right. Thank you so much. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
everybody. Thank you.